Also, let's quickly do a quick analysis on our stock markets. So our first one we will be going is our Nasdaq 100. But before that, I want you to like and share and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe because we do analysis on our forex market and our stock market. So now on our Nasdaq 100, by the way, we can see on our 4-hour time frame our price is actually going down. Actually our price is actually falling massively, so definitely we should continue to seeing that, push down, right? But for today, let's see if our price will actually be able to push down to this our area here. A little bit of push down, to this our area here before we can actually now see, a little bit of that pullback upward and continue push down. But before that, let's see if we're going to see a push down, a little bit, then a push up before we can actually now continue to see that, push down. So for today on our 1-hour time frame, we can see that our price actually want to start ranging around this our 1-hour time frame, but definitely we should be waiting for a break of structure below this our line. Let me see our let me draw the line below this our line. If you can see a break of structure below it, that is about 13868, then definitely we cannot take our sell position. And if not, there's every possibility, like I want to say, that we would have that reversal move, push up, then continue, push down. Maybe we might be able to see that, ranging market move on this our 1-hour time frame here. We might be able to see that ranging move for today. So I want you to very, very watch out for our trade. And if you don't see that ranging market move, then definitely we will continue, downward on our Nasdaq 100, but I don't think we'll be getting it today. Probably next week we should be getting it. Now our next one we should be looking at is our S&P 500. On our day time frame, it is actually down. Our price is down. On our 4-hour time frame, same thing as it wants to show us on our Nasdaq 100. As you can see, we would want our price to actually break below this our candlestick here week before you actually now take our sell position. But before that, let's see on my 4-hour time frame if my price will actually be able to push down a little bit here. That is exactly what I am aiming for. Let's see if our price will be able to push a little bit here. See on our daily time frame, you can see our price has reacted here. Probably our price has reacted here, so definitely we should be able to see that ranging move that I am talking about on our 1-hour time frame. We should be able to see that ranging market move. Then before you can actually now see that break of structure and our price continues downward. So let's see how our price will place out. Then before we know how to take our trade, whether we should start going short, or we should actually wait till our price give us that good set up by the way. So by that sell setup is that our price breaks below this our candlestick wick, then we will take our straight and sell. On our Wall Street index, as you can see on our day time frame, our price is actually not giving us that good move. But let's see our 4-hour time frame, what our price is giving us. You can see our price has actually pushed up to hit this our area here. Definitely we should actually see our price push down to this our area here before you can actually now say, okay, let's see if our price will to continue downward or it will actually come up. So for today, let's be able to take our short position straight downward to our 34175. Let's be able to take our sell to our 34 on our Wall Street 30. On our, let's see, Nikkei 255 Japanese index, on our Nikkei 225 index. Now we can see it on the long run, it is actually bearish. Now you've gotten that thing called a consolidation, and we would want to continue our bearish move. Exactly what we should be looking for on our Nikkei 225. So we can see that our price has pushed up, thereby having a rejection here. Definitely we should continue seeing that sell position here before probably we can now see break of this structure, continue downward, or you will see our price will now pull back, giving us that pullback and continue break of structure downward. So exactly what we should be looking for on our Nikkei 225 index for today. So if you find our video helpful, like, share and subscribe.